Infinitives are fascinating elements of the English language, serving multiple functions that can enhance our communication. Let's dive into the 5 primary functions of infinitives and explore how they operate in sentences. First, let's talk about the infinitive as a subject. When an infinitive acts as the subject of a sentence, it performs the action. For example, consider the sentence, "To learn is a rewarding experience." Here, "to learn" is the subject, and it tells us what the sentence is about. It's not just a phrase, it encapsulates the entire idea that learning brings value. This function emphasizes the importance of the action itself. Next, we have the infinitive functioning as the object of a verb. In this case, the infinitive receives the action of the main verb. Take the sentence, "She wants to travel the world." Here, to travel is the object of the verb wants. It answers the question of what she wants, making the sentence complete. This function allows us to express desires and intentions clearly. Moving on, let's explore the infinitive as a subject complement. This occurs when the infinitive follows a linking verb and renames or describes the subject. For instance, in the sentence, "My goal is to graduate with honors," the infinitive "to graduate" complements the subject "my goal." It provides clarity about what the goal actually is, linking the subject to its purpose. This function is crucial for expressing aspirations and objectives. Now, let's examine the infinitive as an adjective. When used this way, the infinitive modifies a noun or pronoun, answering questions like "which one?" or "what kind?" For example, in the sentence, "I need a book to read," the phrase "to read" modifies book. It specifies the type of book needed, adding detail and context. This function helps us be more precise in our descriptions. Finally, we have the infinitive functioning as an adverb. In this role, the infinitive modifies a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb, often explaining the reason or purpose for an action. Consider the sentence, "He works hard to succeed." Here, "to succeed" explains why he works hard. This function is essential for conveying motivation and intent, enriching our understanding of actions. In summary, infinitives are versatile tools in our language arsenal. They can serve as subjects, objects, subject complements, adjectives, and adverbs. Each function adds depth and clarity to our sentences, allowing us to express complex ideas and emotions effectively. Understanding how to use infinitives can significantly enhance your writing and speaking skills, making your communication more engaging and precise. So, the next time you encounter an infinitive, take a moment to appreciate its role and the richness it brings to the English language.